This brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house situated in Shandcliffe in Silverstream Estate in Krugersdorp. You have your private garden with a pool. The house is in a panhandle, so it's very private. A huge covered patio with a built-in braai. Your living room and a modern kitchen with a gas stove, a separate scullery laundry room with connectors for your washing machine, dishwasher and a tumble dryer. The backyard, low maintenance, is completely paved in the backyard. Going back through the kitchen, there's space for a double fridge. This is the first bedroom. All the bedrooms come with built-in cupboards as well as sliding doors. There's connectors for TVs, internet, your family bathroom, shower, toilet, bath and basin. Down the passage, your second bedroom. There's an outside toilet with a basin as well, washing line, and there's also irrigation system in the garden. In the passage, a study. In the master bedroom. Master bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom. His and hers basin, a huge shower, a separate toilet and a modern bath. You can also go to the garden from the main bedroom. On the left of the pool is a gate that leads to the communal garden. Now this house, as I've mentioned, is in a panhandle. It's right in the back of the corner. So you can actually use this garden for yourself as well. It's very private. There's a double garage, and on your right is a parking for a trailer as well. And as a homeowner, you have access to the park as well.